Good morning. It's a new day and a new year. We made it to Philadelphia from Las Vegas. Oh, I don't know if you all can see it from here. Oh man, that's a great shot of the Philadelphia skyline. So you can see it in the background. Yeah, that's a great shot. I just love Philadelphia. It's such a great city with personality. Spirit? Not so much. No, I'm just joking. Spirit is okay. Spirit's okay. They got plenty of personality though. Just like Frontier. Plenty of personality. But you know what? You get what you pay for. Now this is where they really get you. This is where they really get you. So for those of you all who travel, you know this is where they get you. Frontier. See that right there? Personal item. Carry on. And now you're about to see why this is how I travel. Right there. Go on, slide down in there. Look at that. Everything I have and need for this trip fit in the personal item section. So the gate gangsters don't get you. And Frontier is notorious for their gate gangsters. You know, I've seen people try to get on the plane and no, you can't get on. It's gonna cost $100. I mean, I've seen people, they've told, hey, it's gonna cost $100 for you to get on the plane with this bag. Well, this is a Philadelphia store. Everything Philadelphia. Philadelphia Eagles paraphernalia. '76ers. You know, I do like Philadelphia sports teams. The 76ers. Because, I mean, that's Allen Iverson. Like, I'm wearing an Allen Iverson hoodie. You know, he's synonymous with the Philadelphia 76ers. But also, the Philadelphia Eagles. If I wasn't a Ravens fan, I'd be a Philadelphia Eagles fan. Just saying. Because I like the city. And that's it. You know? But I like Baltimore too. I like the city of Baltimore, and I like their team and what they stand for. Okay, so we need to get to Terminal A. I just love the artwork in airports also. I think sometimes the bigger the airport, the more grand the artwork. And we got some foliage here. Let's see if it's real. Oh yeah, it feels real. I love seeing real plants as decor in public places. Let's see here, Gates A. I hope Gates A and Terminal A are the same thing. Uh-huh. Oh, look at this. They got life size. Oh, this is crazy. That's Saquon Barkley. Jalen Hurts. Okay, I see y'all. I see you, Philadelphia. See, that's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. That's how they do it. That's how they do it. Okay, so to get the plane, to get the train to the Philadelphia Amtrak station, you have to catch the Septa train from Terminal A. And that's going to take us to the 30th Street William H. Gray Amtrak station.
Based off of
Okay, now wait a minute. Okay, so wait a minute. Terminal D. Okay, let me get some information. Excuse me, bruh. I'm trying to get to Terminal A so I can catch the Septa train.
best bet is to go down to F and take the shuttle.
Okay, go down to F.
Walk straight, stay on this left side,
Yeah, hang on.
and go across a bridge.
Okay,
You go downstairs.
okay,
Once you get downstairs, just go to the food court.
okay.
In the food court, it's literally walk right through the food court, and it just say shuttle. Just tell them you want to go to A.
Okay, so go back this way.
Just keep straight and stay to your left.
Stay to the left.
At some point, once you go past that store, you don't have to, make a left.
Okay,
Turn. There's nothing else over there. So when you wrap around, just keep straight.
okay.
Just keep going across.
And you say what? Terminal F, and then the food court, and then it's gonna say shuttles.
Right there. You walk, I'm gonna walk right between the food court. It's gonna say shuttle. Bigger than this side.
Okay.
It's gonna say shuttle.
Okay, cool.
And you don't go out there, even though you're on the shuttle, you don't go out there so you don't have to come back. You see what's
Okay.
like
Okay, thank you very much. Okay, thank you very much.
Happy
All right now.
New Year.
Happy New Year, bro. All right now. Oh my goodness, look at the sun shining. Dunkin' Donuts. Hey, this was on my mind this morning because I wasn't able to shoot any more video in Las Vegas last night, so I really wasn't able to get the real New Year's Eve celebrations, because my phone, my camera died. My camera battery died. And I couldn't find a way to charge my camera back up. And so I really couldn't shoot more video until I got here to the Philadelphia airport and charged up my camera. Okay, the guy said Gates F. Okay, yeah, he said just keep around here to Gates F. And I couldn't shoot no more videos because, I had to charge my phone up here this morning in the Philadelphia airport. And the point I wanted to make with this, okay, this looks a little strange. This little hallway like this. Oh wow, okay. This looks real strange, don't it? Oh, okay, it looks better now. It looks better now.
Oh yeah, that's good.
Okay. 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 Here we go. Here we go. Okay, I can see where he says I see where he says you catch the shuttles. Okay, so those are the shuttle buses. That's the thing here in the Philadelphia airport. They have like these little buses that take you from terminal to terminal. Okay, Philadelphia airport, I see you. Yeah, this is pretty. And once again, you're talking the live plants. They are in living color.
They certainly are. Beautiful ladies.
The point that was on my mind this morning was I did a video saying old and outdated doesn't mean don't work. And that's true. That's true. People could consider what I'm using to shoot this video was old and outdated. And the fact that I'm sitting here shooting this video or walking and shooting this video shows you that it does work. But a lot of times things that are old and outdated, they have their limitations. It's a Philly thing. Okay. Once again, the artwork in these airports, I just love the artwork. They say it's a Philly thing. Yeah, things that are old and outdated, they have their limitations, and that's what makes them outdated. But in time, I'm going to get my camera and all my equipment updated, and things are going to get better. So stick with me, y'all. If you got a positive comment, leave a comment down below. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe. And like the video if you liked it. All right, I think we're on our way. I'm just following the directions that the security guard gave me. So I'm gonna go down these stairs Said there should be a food court down here. All right. Stay tuned.